What's going on, YouTubers and TikTokers? You know who this is. X-Brand845, otherwise known as Uncle X-Brand, otherwise known as Unc X, and otherwise known as the RC Uncle. Yes, I still claim it. As you can see, we got a new toy right now. We gotta try it out. I don't want to crash the name. It's UG Toys, I guess. And they call this one the Sprint. And I think it's the one the hottest says idols TEMU. So, you know, if you go on TEMU, you definitely can see this. Get one while you still can. The price of this thing is actually pretty reasonable. $50. Yes, you heard what I said, $50. I didn't stutter. Smell like butter. But yes, it's cost $50. And it's a 1/16 scale. So basically, we're gonna do an unboxing and see why this thing is one of the greatest sales of an RC car in TEMU history. But otherwise, that if you like what you see, smash the bell, comment, definitely subscribe. You know what I mean? But anyway, enough with the jibber jabber. I'm gonna get down to this unboxing. So anyway, as you can see, it's a thing right here. We got the 1/16 scale. I don't know if I got the. They got two versions. You got the brush and you got the brushless. I think I got the brush one, but we're gonna find out in a minute. So just hang on tight. So this is what we're gonna do. All right then. Over this part right here. Alright, here we go. Looks like it's part of the Storm Riders. As you can see, it's part of the Storm Riders. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna check that out in a minute. Maybe this is like the buggy version of this car. We're gonna find out in a minute. So basically, race car competitions, got Storm Riders. So anyway, it's part of the Storm Riders family. And inside of here, you got the instructions right here. Got the instructions right here, you know what I'm saying? The instruction right here. And we're gonna open up the side of the box. That's in here. Oh. Nice little interesting remote controls. 2.4 gigahertz, as you can see. Nice little antenna. You press the button here. You got the trim. You got the settings of the thing. Red light is good. Green light is not. Trigger's pretty decent. You can drive with one hand or one thumb, which is good. The barrels goes in there. Probably like 4 double A's. I'm not sure, but anyway, so that's that. Also comes with tools. You know, you got screw the wheels on, and looks like some screwdrivers underneath the car. So, and you got some more pins and some other things here. You got the battery charger right here, as you can see. Battery charger right here. So there you go with that. And now let's see what the car looks like. Here's the moment of truth right here. Okay. Alright. Here's what the car looks like. Take this other crap off of this thing. There we go. And let's see what we got. We got more instructions. As you can see, more instructions. some in English, there's some not. So there, we got that. But this is what the car looks like right here. So, okay, let's just stuff the garbage. Let's stuff over here, but this is what the car looks like. Now, basically it's from the Chinese market, so basically it's not going to be as good as Armor or Traxxas, but we can make it do. It's doable. So basically, you got wider tires. It's much wider. It's much wider than a 1/18 scale, like a 1/16 scale. So, one thing I don't like is the bouncy shocks, but otherwise that is somewhat decent. Tires, it's a little hard, but you know. So basically, it got plastic dog bones. So you got the plastic dog bones right here. You know what I'm saying? You got the plastic dog bones. Got some kind of headlights. You know, you want to drive in the night, but it's plastic dog bones. The shocks are a little bouncy. I don't know, you can put oil fill in there, but it would be nice if you could. It got a wing, but you gotta attach it to it. As you can see, it couldn't fit in because it's so wide and stuff like that. But I'm a 95. There you go. Alright, so basically, let's take the pins over, see if we got the brush motor or we got the brushless motor. But I think I got the brush motor if I'm not mistaken. So, oh good, we got the brush motor. Okay, so basically it comes with a 7.4 LiPo battery, which is right here. You know, charge up the battery, put it right here. It got a 390 brush motor with a heat sink. It's not bad. And it looks like it got the 2-in-1 right here. So the 2-in-1 right here, just turn this on. And there you go. And I'm trying to say these shocks are adjustable. I don't think the shocks is adjustable. You know, these shocks are not adjustable. It just look like it's adjustable, but it's not really adjustable. So anyway, that's the only thing I don't like about it, the bouncy shocks, but you get what you pay for. Now remember, this one costs $50. You know what I mean? $50. So basically, you get what you pay for, I guess, so to speak. You know what I mean? So you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. So basically, that's what happens. So now, I ordered a car, so I'm going to see what this car is about and see if it could compete with the big boys. And basically, what is the big boys? It'll probably be the Grom. You know what I'm saying? So now, we're going to put the Grom next to it, and we're going to see if this thing compares it. So this is the 116 U-Jet Sprint. Right here is the Grom. Okay, so
now that's done. Oh no, wait, maybe it's not yet.
So with the Grom, it's a little bit longer wheelbase than this one, slightly, as you can see. If you go from wheel to wheel, the Grom got about the wheelbase. That's number one. The height is about probably the same thing. The shocks is way much better. The wheels, it's a little bit wider. As you can see, it's a little bit wider right there. So you know, we're gonna see. I'm gonna charge up these batteries, and I'm gonna put them together. And I'm gonna put them in a race. Now this one got a 380 brush motor. This one got a 390 brush motor. So almost from pound for pound, this is gonna be a good little competition race. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna charge up these batteries and basically put the wing on here, and I'm gonna charge both batteries, and we're gonna see which one is the better car. Is Armour Grom still gonna be number one, or this new contender by UG Toys is gonna make this happen? But you know, like the comment, subscribe, and smash the bell. You know what I mean? So basically, we're gonna see how this works. You know what I mean? So just stay tuned. You know what I mean? But I thank you for appreciating watching this. You know, appreciate you all watching this. So basically, I'm gonna do is stay tuned. This is the unboxing, and I'm gonna put the both barrel charged up, and we're gonna. Oh, well, that's why it's probably the 116 skid. Now I see it. The 116 is wider than the Grom, but the Grom wheelbase is longer. So yeah. Well, we're gonna see which one's gonna be the better car. You know what I'm saying? But thank you for watching. I do appreciate that. You know, please like, comment, subscribe, and also smash the bell. And also come on my TikTok channel at xbrand845rc. Otherwise known as Uncle X Brand on TikTok. All right. So anyway, this is xbrand845. I'm gonna charge these barrels. Stay tuned for part 2. Peace.